Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to create something cute and fun for you guys. This one is a little bit more time consuming because it does have cut crease, eyeliner, lashes, under eye, eyeshadow, and just the whole shebang. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, just go ahead and keep on watching. The first shade that I'll be picking up is this white tone right here, and it's from the 35P Morphe palette. And I'll be using my MBM brush right here. It's like a flat fluffy brush. And I'll just be applying this on my brow bone, and this is going to give your brow a highlight, and also it's going to be the transition color. Next, I'll be picking up my Mica brush, and it's in the number E310, and it's this one right here. And I'll be picking up this shade from the same Morphe palette. It's like a mid-purple. And I'll be applying this on the inner crease. You see how it looks a little too dark, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and clean some of that off and just smudge that. I don't want it too dark in the center. And just blend, blend, blend. I feel like doing it in circular motion, it's easier to blend out and it doesn't look too harsh. That up towards my brow bone. The next shade that I'll be picking up, it's by the Anastasia Renaissance palette, and it's this one right here, Love Letter. And I'll be using my E18 Morphe brush. And just very lightly apply that on the outer corner of my crease. And bring it up towards my brow bone. And blend these two shades together very lightly. Now that I have blended those two colors together, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'll be applying it to my flat brush by Morphe. It's my MB19 brush, and I'll just be applying this on the inner crease and halfway. It's like a cut crease. And then just lightly blending it out. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of set that. How about the fact that you guys can always hear the ice cream man in my videos? So again, I'll be picking up this white shade right here, and I'll be applying it with my finger on the inner corner of my eye. And again, I'll be picking up this purple shade and applying it in the middle of my cut crease. Now I'm going to go back into my Anastasia palette and pick up a Love Letter once again. And I'm going to mix it with Cypress Umber. And I'm going to be applying this on the outer corner. just bringing that in and blending it in with the lavender shade. Now I'll be picking up only Cypress Umber, which is the dark brown shade right here, and lightly dust the excess and apply very light pressure to the outer corner just to intensify it a little bit more and bring it in as well. Now I will be applying my eyeliner, and if you guys have seen my previous Valentine's videos, I've shown you guys the eyeliner pencil that I've been using. I'm sorry, eyeliner brush that I've been using, and it's the Artist Loft brush in size 0, and it's just a very thin brush. I feel like I find it a little bit easier for me to apply my eyeliner with this. And I'm going to use my Tarte's clay, which is this one right here. And I know before I would usually apply it with my palette here, but I'm just gonna squeeze some out from here and just pick it up with my brush. I think I find it easier and I don't lose a lot of product squeezing it out directly from the tube. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner off camera just because it takes deep concentration for me to do this, and I'll be right back. So I completed my eyeliner, and now I'm gonna go in with the 35 Morphe palette again and grabbing this maroon shade. I'm going to just go under my waterline. And I'll be going in with my Tarte Lash Mascara. And I'll be applying this on my top lashes before applying my regular lashes. I just feel like they blend in much better with my fake lashes and my original ones. And I'll be applying some mascara at the bottom. Now I'll be applying my Bad and Bougie lashes. I'm just going to apply some Duo lash glue and set those down for a little bit, just so they can turn a little bit tacky. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and apply my MAC powder. Just set my face. I'll be applying my Peach Twist by MAC blush, and I'm just following my contour area. I know sometimes you guys put them on the apple of your cheeks, but I like to follow my contour. I just feel like this Peach Twist shade, it just intensifies that area. So pretty. Now for my favorite Milani highlighter, which is this one right here. It's Strobe Light. That I will be applying on the apples of my cheeks, going towards my temple. And on the bridge of my nose. Now I will be applying my lashes. Okay, now for my inner tear duct, I'm going to go ahead and apply Aura by Lime Crime, which is this shade right here. And I'm grabbing my E36 Morphe brush. And I'll just be applying this shade on the inner Here it is. You guys can even use this shade as a highlighter. It's super pretty. Just bring it down. And blend it up. Okay. Now for the last and final thing, I will be applying my Lovecraft by Kat Von D lipstick, which is this one. I want something more subtle, something more soft, since my eyes are a little bit dramatic. I did add 2 braids to the side of my hair just to add some type of style to my hair so it doesn't look too plain, and it actually looks cute. I look like a little girl. So this is going to be the complete and final look for today's 4th Valentine's Day tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these videos I've been creating for you guys. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.